You know say them fit win Maserati for 1xbet. These Champions League matches where them they play, so if you bet on top them, with every bet you go dey gather points, even for the ones where you lose. On how you collect the points finish, you go follow for the draws where them go do on top am. For there you go fit win better Maserati motor or cash. If you never register, go register for their website and make sure say you use our promo code JNEXT so that you go get increased bonus for your first deposit wey fit reach 189,000 naira. Make sure say you read their terms and conditions and use sense take the bet. Thank you.
Oga Mourinho and Oga Sarri, una welcome.
Kubala.
Thank you, my boy.
It remain few weeks before the European club football season go finish. Even my Oga here get finals to settle with Sevilla tomorrow.
Finals with Sevilla no need to prepare for safe.
Abio, trophy with them they will build come Roma.
Now be waiting I mean no. For this life and the next life to come, Sevilla no be your mate for Europa Cup finals. UEFA Champions League is to Madrid, as UEFA Europa Cup is to Sevilla.
Where them right am?
Na common sense.
If to say you get common sense, ba, I for at least give you one of my ear.
Okay now, since you no wan hear word, Kubala, continue your talk.
Okay sir. Leagues like EPL and Bundesliga don't finish. All of us know say Arsenal bottle EPL trophy, but I no understand wetin Dortmund do for Bundesliga o. Oga Mourinho, you fit help us explain?
To talk about this matter no easy o. E dey very sensitive. Slavery no be something wey anybody suppose experience. But na wetin dey happen for Bundesliga on a constant basis.
Wait o, Oga Mourinho, I no understand wetin carry slave enter this matter.
That's because your premature brain no fit comprehend reality. Sorry here know wetin I dey talk about.
My brother.
How una go play the whole season finish? You dey top league. E come remain one final match to win league. You and all the other teams wey dey Bundesliga just bottle am. Haba! Na swear them swear for them.
No be say team wey Dortmund draw one comot relegation or go Champions League or them just dey anyhow for middle of table.
But them still decide to put Sansan for Dortmund Gary. Things wey suppose dey work against Bayern Munich. I no know the one wey dey worry them. Whether na addiction to slavery or crab mentality.
Na all of them and more. Oh, that league na a very big farmland with labourers everywhere. And if one team decide say e no wan be labourer again, the other teams go rally against am.
You mean to say no be Dortmund fault?
This boy, you dey hear what so? We dey talk say everybody including Dortmund dey work for Bayern. Because if you think am sef, why you no go win the most important game of the season? And as a team wey play against Dortmund, why you no sacrifice the match just so that Bayern no go carry am? No be say dem need the point sef o.
Mourinho, forget that league Joe. Leave people wey wan farm make them farm.
Oga Sarri, how you take see the EPL season ending?
One key takeaway for this season EPL na say Guardiola don finally familiarize himself with EPL farmland. EPL don turn to a big family of farmers, all farming in an unfamiliar farmland.
If Sevilla go beat Roma for finals, what of
Kubala, it's like you want make I shut down the studio, abi?
Leave the guy make dey talk wetin dey in mind, Joe.
No be you carry the nonsense put for in mind.
Oh my God.
Sorry, respect yourself o. I no wan bad belle for my finals.
I think say you say element will build the trophy go Roma. Why you come dey fear na?
Your bad belle mouth fit cause make some unknown gunmen come hijack the thing for road.
Or yeah, make I honestly predict that match.
No predict anything, I no ask you.
See as fear dey catch am.
Your papa.